Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to just go over everything that I have been liking lately. I don't have that much products, but it's stuff that I've been really enjoying, so I'm going to share with you all. First item is this Frank Body Espresso Scrub. I love this stuff so much, especially after I get out of the gym. And this is such a great alternative to the regular scrub. Don't get me wrong, I love the regular scrub, but this takes the mess away because it's just a whipped, like creamy version, and it sticks to your body perfectly without like half of it falling into your shower and then you losing it and it goes like down the drain. It's like, you're so precious, come back onto my body. Where you going? Or like you finish showering and you find it all over your shower wall in your shower curtain, and I'm just like, I love you, but you was dirty, just like Frank likes to be, but this is a cleaner version of him. Yes. Next item I'm going to talk about is Pixi Skin Treats in the Rose Glow Mist. I just recently purchased this like 2-3 weeks ago. No, 2 weeks ago. I think it was 2 weeks ago. But I thought I loved the regular makeup mist from Pixi, the pink one, but I think this has taken my heart completely. I used it again today when I was doing my makeup for this video, and just every time I use this, my skin just completely looks perfectly smooth. It smells delicious, and it just, everything, if you're over powdered or anything, the foundation is not looking the best on your skin, you're having like a bad skin day or something, you spray this on top of your like whole foundation look and everything just like melts in. I'm just like, I'm not even kidding. This is like the best stuff ever. The best stuff ever. I'm telling you, it's the best. Lately every time I put on my makeup, I've been indoors, so I can't really talk about if it's like helps with longevity or not, but I don't know if that's even a claim on this. Nope, I don't see that, but I don't think this is meant to help the longevity of your makeup. It's supposed to set it and give like a natural dew, which it does. It definitely does. Definitely recommend. Next item I'm going to talk about is this Tatcha, the Silk Canvas. I know this is such a baby one, but I got a sample from Sephora, and a little bit of this goes a long way. And I just mainly cover my T-zone, like where my pore areas is, and like to smooth out my forehead and my chin and my nose. But I haven't used a lot, but I use this often, and you honestly don't need that much. And it just smooths everything out. And it has been working really well under my foundations I've been using, so definitely recommend this also. I have been loving this. It has a light fragrance, it's not strong. And it doesn't linger after you put it on your skin, and plus you're covering it with a foundation, so you shouldn't be able to smell anything through your foundation. It's kind of weird. Yeah, been really enjoying this little sucker. I'm debating buying the full size because this is a pretty penny. Tatcha. Why are you so expensive? I can't afford you. I'm gonna save up and scrape up all my savings. I'm just kidding, but it is expensive. Like, it's gonna hurt my bank account if I decide to buy the full sizes. I'll see when I finally finish this. If I love it that much, you will see a full size on my channel in the future. Just watch out for it. If it doesn't pop up, that means that I wasn't committed enough. I can't do it. It was like, no, not going there, Liz Marie. The next item is another sample that I got from Sephora. Thank you so much. It's the Kush mascara from Milk Cosmetics. I love the way this makes my lashes look. It doesn't clump up. It's slightly buildable. Like, I can get a good 2 layers on my lashes, and it separates my net lashes very nicely. I just really appreciate this mascara. Also, it doesn't make your lashes like really hard. Like, you touch them and they still feel like flexible and soft. This is a lovely mascara. I've been using this a lot, so it's drying out. And I'm still debating also on getting the full size of this one. But instead of repurchasing my IT Cosmetics superhero mascara, I might opt to purchase this one instead. We shall see. We shall see. Oldie but a goodie that I've recently have been using again since I went on my trip to San Francisco is the LH Cosmetics Infinity Palette. You guys have already seen this on my channel. But when I first got this, I went down and I brought it out again. I need to use this more often. I forgot how much I love you. It's just, this is a beautiful palette. It's just pure perfection. Pure. And I need to use you more. I'm sorry that I neglected you. I'm so sorry. It will never happen again. It's not gonna happen again. You guys need this palette in your life. You guys should definitely pick up the LH Cosmetics Infinity Palette. Most definitely. It's beautiful. Pigmented. Blendable. Gorgeous. On the face. Great for everything. One and done palette. Got 2 more palettes that I have been loving as of late. And you guys already know. Melt Cosmetics 27. I just want to use this every day. This is another palette I'm gonna mention. I just want to use them every day. Like I want to sleep with them on my face. I never want to take them off because it's just so beautiful. I don't want to take them off my face. But yeah, you guys already know this gorgeous palette, and this one is definitely a keeper. I'm still waiting on Melt. I'm still waiting on you guys to come back out with the other eyeshadow palette. I'm still waiting for Gemini to come back in stock. And it better come back in stock, because if not, I will feel betrayed, okay? Because this one is still in stock. This one is still in stock. Something just fell. And you guys have not, like, not once. You have not stocked up on the Gemini one. I'm just, why? Why are you hurting me like this? Another palette that I've had for quite some time now. It's Anastasia Soft Glam. This is the perfect eyeshadow palette. When you don't really want to think about it, and you just want to slap a quick look on your face, you could just use one shade, and you can blend it. And it'll just like, it'll do like a nice fade from the crease to the lid to the eyebrow bone, and it'll look like you tried really hard, but it was just one eyeshadow. Or you could do like the basic crease color, outer crease, and then put glitter, like one of the shimmer shades all over the lids. Perfect, that's what I did today. It's on my eyes today. You guys can't really see because I have these long ass bangs that need to be trimmed. We'll do very soon. But Anastasia can do no wrong in my eyes. And in the future when I travel, I believe that this Glam eyeshadow, this eyeshadow palette is coming with me. And yes, I keep it in the box. I don't want to dirty the velvet texture of the palette. Like, it kills me. Like my Modern Renaissance one, dirty as hell. And I hate it so much. I hate when the palette looks like that. I mean, part of me loves it because like that, you know, it's well loved. Gives it kind of like an old vintage kind of feel in my opinion. Like it's kind of dusted, kind of dirty. Ages well, you know, it's aging beautifully. But then again, part of me is like, I want you clean. I don't want you to look like that. But what can you do? They keep doing the velvet soft touch packaging, and I'm just like, I love it and hate it at the same time. But yeah, another product from Anastasia is the Dream Glow palette. Also on my face right now. Don't know if you can tell. Ooh, that glow is pretty. I will say, if you do not like glitter on your face, you probably won't like this palette. Because there is a lot of glitter mixed into the pure goodness that is these highlights. They look beautiful on the face, and I feel like they just kind of melt in. They give you a nice glossy look. They're not like, they don't give too much texture to my skin per se, but there's definitely a lot of little glitter. There's glitter flecks everywhere. I kind of just keep blending it until the glitter flakes like fly away and flutter and fly away to their home, their new home that is not my face. But other than that, I'm in love with the color shades. They're just super beautiful. And for my pale skin, I feel like all these colors work on me. And what can I say? Besides that, I love it. Alrighty. Next item I'm gonna talk about is one I got in my Petit Four box several months ago, and I've been using it religiously. And it's the Zabana Essentials Tamanu Calendula Healing and can't talk. Let's try that again. It's the Zabana Essentials Tamanu Calendula Healing and Anti-Blemish Balm. And it looks like this. You know, might compare it to boogers, might not. Smells so herbally and delicious. I love it. I put this on morning or night after I cleanse my face, and hours later my skin just feels so soft. Doesn't break me out. I would hope not, because it says anti-blemish, but it doesn't break me out. The scent's a little strong, so if you're sensitive to scents, you may not like this little buddy right here. But I definitely plan on repurchasing this when it is all gone. But a little bit goes a long way with this. I mean, I've been using it, and it's still a lot of product left in there. A lot of product. And I left it out somewhere where it was pretty warm. I think I left it in my car by accident, like I had it in my handbag. And then I left it in there in my handbag in the car. So that's why all of it is mushed to one side, because it solidified like that later when I came inside and left it in my purse. It was like sideways. So that's why it looks a hot mess, besides me just using it every day. But yeah, this is great product. I want to buy more from this Zabana Essentials brand. They have a rose balm. I really want to try that. I love anything rose. That just sounds so delicious. I just went all over my face and body. And finally, the last product I'm going to talk about is also an oldie but a goodie, and it is these NYX Cosmetics Jumbo Eye Pencils. I love these so much. I have like the 3 basic colors, black, brown, and white, but I need to buy more colors. I need it like in a lot of colors. These go so easily in the waterline. They're so creamy. I love to use them as eyeshadow bases, but like white for like the really bright colorful looks, like bright ass orange, blues, whatever bright color eyeshadow look you want to do. This is great to put underneath to really help those eyeshadows pop. And then if you're doing like a smoky eye, this brown or the black one, it's perfection. Okay? I love layering these under my eyeshadows when I'm doing a smoked out eyeshadow look, which is the majority of the time, but I don't use them every day. I forgot how much I love these also, and I recently brought them back out. Been using them in my waterline. This brown one is in my waterline right now. I used the white one in my last toot with the 27 palette. Slides right in like a dream. So great. So great. But yeah, guys, that's it for my current favorites. Things that I've been constantly reaching for, that I always use, and that I hold dear to my heart at this moment, and may possibly hold dear in my heart for the rest of my life, you know? It's quite possible. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye!